thanks for joining us again. So just another update here on Escartow. Went to Fabric Land, picked up some camo material to redo the headliner. Headliner was pretty gross in this thing, so we already went and stripped it. It had a little bit of damage here where it was pretty weak, so we went and just used the same adhesive that we're going to use to stick the headliner on, and ran it over it, and I put something in behind it and in front of it so that it would soak in and harden. So basically just rebuilt it with the glue. Hopefully it, well, whatever, it's going to work for what we need it for. So yeah, so anyway, so I'm going to do up a time lapse here of me installing this headliner.
Better already. I love the camo. I feel like we need to get camo hats when we drive this thing.
Got the headliner wrapped up. Not perfect, but it's better than what was in there. It's nice and clean. It'll look sick once all the trim's on it and stuff.
Hey, what's up, guys? Quick update on the hatch here. Started bolting in this all-wheel drive kit. First thing I did here is have to bolt this subframe in, and it doesn't clear, so I had to make a notch in the subframe. So I'm gonna bolt the rear diff to the subframe brace right now, bolt it up there, see exactly where I have to bolt this upper diff brace, and put these pop rivets in, or I might weld it all the way around. I haven't decided yet. And I think I'm gonna get some steel and patch this in all the way around and weld it all nice. Get some strength back in there because it is the subframe of the car. But yeah, that's how far I've got so far. I did bolt in the trailing arms. They look sweet. I bolted those in the night I got the kit. I just wanted to see exactly how it goes. Obviously I have to take it apart to press the hubs in and bolt the brakes on, get the calipers on there. But yeah, it's a start and I'm getting pretty pumped up, so I'll keep you guys rolling here. got fire.
Yep.
Sorry, I got it, bro. Little fire.
Oh, you're...
There's a shop towel here.
I was like, that didn't sound...
That's her. Don't judge my welds. I'm gonna put 2 pieces on the sides. Make it look nice. Cap right here and here. That's it.